Cicada 3301, a mysterious and enigmatic internet puzzle that has captivated the minds of many since its inception in early 2012. The puzzle, which involves a series of complex riddles and cryptographic challenges, is said to have been created by an unknown organization or individual. Its purpose and origins remain shrouded in mystery, and to this day, Cicada 3301 has never been definitively solved. Part 1. The Cryptic Image. It all began in January 2012 when a user on the image board 4chan posted a cryptic image. The image contained a message that claimed a hidden message was within it. When the message was extracted using a technique called steganography, it revealed a reference to a book titled The Tale of the Gold Bug. This reference hinted at the use of cryptography in the puzzle. Part 2. The Initial Puzzle. Those who followed the trail from the image were led to a website that displayed a countdown clock. When the countdown reached 0, a new message appeared, challenging participants to find a hidden message within a certain image. This message introduced participants to the world of cryptography and set the stage for what was to come. Part 3. A Global Hunt. The Cicada 3301 puzzle quickly gained attention and attracted a global community of amateur cryptographers, hackers, and puzzle enthusiasts. The challenges became increasingly difficult, requiring participants to decipher complex codes, navigate the dark web, and collaborate with others from around the world. Part 4. A Secret Society. As participants progressed through the stages of the puzzle, they discovered references to various historical and literary works, as well as a strong emphasis on the idea of privacy, cryptography, and the value of knowledge. Some began to speculate that Cicada 3301 was a recruitment tool for a secretive organization or society that valued these principles. Part 5. The Unsolved Mystery. Despite the collective efforts of thousands of participants, the final stages of the Cicada 3301 puzzle remained unsolved. In each year following its initial appearance, new puzzles were posted, each more challenging than the last. However, no one has ever claimed to have successfully completed the entire puzzle and earned the elusive reward that is believed to await the winner. Part 6. The Runic Book and QR Codes. Throughout the Cicada 3301 puzzles, participants encountered references to a mysterious runic book, which was believed to hold secrets to solving the challenges. The book's contents remained largely unknown, adding to the intrigue surrounding the puzzle. Additionally, QR codes were discovered within the puzzle's clues. These codes, when scanned, led participants to various websites and locations on the internet, each containing new challenges and encrypted messages. The use of QR codes added a layer of complexity to the puzzle and required participants to be proficient in both online and offline code breaking. Part 7. Ongoing Speculation. To this day, Cicada 3301 remains a subject of fascination and speculation. Some believe it to be an elaborate alternate reality game, ARG, while others are convinced it is a recruitment tool for a clandestine organization. The true purpose and origins of Cicada 3301 may never be known, and it continues to be one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the internet. The story of Cicada 3301 is one of intrigue, intellectual challenge, and the enduring power of mystery in the digital age. It has left an indelible mark on the online world and continues to inspire curiosity and speculation among those who dare to venture down its cryptic path. As we conclude this journey through the enigmatic world of Cicada 3301, we're reminded that some mysteries are destined to remain unsolved, and some puzzles are designed to challenge the brightest minds. Whether it was an elaborate game, a recruitment tool, or something beyond our comprehension, Cicada 3301 captured the imagination of thousands and left an enduring mark on the digital landscape. If you enjoy this exploration of one of the internet's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating tales from the depths of the web. And who knows, perhaps one day you'll be the one to unravel the next puzzle that emerges from the shadows. Thank you for joining us on this cryptic journey, and remember, the answers may be out there, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to seek them.